In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the availability of your Hubspot meetings. This process is straightforward and won't take much of your time, so let's go through it step by step. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Hubspot homepage. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in the address for Hubspot, or click on a previously saved bookmark if you have one. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a login option. Go ahead and click on that. After logging in with your credentials, you'll be directed to the Hubspot home area. From here, we're aiming to head over to the section where we can manage meetings. On HubSpot's home interface, you'll find a variety of options designed to help you navigate the platform effectively. Look for a feature or tab labeled Library. This is where you'll find the resources you need to proceed. Go ahead and click on the library. This will open up a new set of options related to your HubSpot activities. Among these choices, search for the Meeting Scheduler. This is the tool we'll be using to manage and adjust your meeting availability. Clicking on the Meeting Scheduler will take you into the section specifically designed for meeting arrangements. Once the Meeting Scheduler page is open, find the option to Edit. You'll want to click on Edit to make changes to your meeting settings. This section offers various configurations, including the scheduling settings for your meetings. Next, within the editing section, locate and click on Scheduling. This is where you'll fine-tune the details concerning your availability for meetings. You'll find options that allow you to designate when you are available to meet, which is crucial in managing your time efficiently. Now, the essential part that we want to focus on is the availability window. Clicking on this will enable you to set the specific hours or days you are open for meetings. You'll have the ability to customize the time slots according to your schedule. For instance, if certain days are busier than others, use this section to adjust or limit your availability to prevent conflicts. Once you have made your desired adjustments to the availability settings, remember to save your changes. This final step ensures that your updated schedule is applied, allowing clients, colleagues, or potential partners to book times with you that truly fit into your agenda. And that's it. You have successfully modified your HubSpot meetings availability. Following these simple instructions should help you optimize your schedule and enhance your productivity. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out.